What's up guys, we're here. So for this video, we'll be checking out the 70mm M310 dashcam, which 70mm sent to us along with the Hardwire Kit, since this dashcam has a lot of pretty interesting features for its price range. So let's start with the quick unboxing. Once you have removed the protective plastic wrap and you open the box, you'll be greeted with your user manual. So everything about the dashcam, as well as on how to install the app and how to set it up, it's in this user manual. So be sure to check that out before you install your dashcam. You also have two electrostatic films right here, and of course the actual dashcam, the M310, which already has the bracket, mounting bracket, and adhesive attached to it. And that's a quick look of the dashcam. Let's put it aside. You also have your car charger right here, and then the cord, which is type C, and it's pretty long. And lastly, you also have a prying tool right here, which you will use to pry off some panels and also to tuck in the cable underneath those panels. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you also have another extra adhesive right here. And yep, it doesn't have, or it doesn't come along with an SD card, so make sure to buy your SD card for your dashcam. So I highly suggest something like a SanDisk high endurance card or anything similar from other brands. So yep, that's a quick look. Let's walk you through the features of this dashcam, this M310 dashcam. And though, let's not forget about the Hardwire Kit, which is sold separately from the M310 dashcam. So the Hardwire Kit activates or is for the advanced features of the M310 dashcam, which I'll talk about later. So here's a quick look. USB type C, this goes into your dashcam, and then this goes to your electrical wiring or in your car. So that's a quick look of the Hardwire Kit from 70mm. So let's now have a spec talk about the M310 dashcam. Alright, so the M310 dashcam is very compact, so it doesn't have a display screen right here or at the back. It only has the mic right here, the power button, and the LED indicator, and then the slot for the micro SD and the type C port, and also the mounting bracket on top. And that's pretty much it for the design or the body of the M310 dashcam. So now moving on to the camera, it has one of the best image quality out there. So it has a 2K resolution, 2304 by 1296p to be exact, and then the camera is a 3 megapixel camera. Now for the field of view, it has 130 degrees, and for the aperture, it has an f2 aperture. Now for the advanced features, the dashcam will be able to stay alert 24 hours while you're away. So it has a collision detection, so when a sudden shake or collision gets detected, the dashcam will activate and automatically record a 30-second video. It also has a time-lapse recording, which will continuously record at 1 frames per second, and every 30 minutes of a video gets compressed into a 1-minute clip. And the time-lapse recording requires the Hardwire Kit. Another advanced feature of the M310 dashcam is that it has a buffered emergency recording. So when a collision occurs during driving, it will initiate a 5-second pre-roll and continue recording for the next 25 seconds. So that video clip gets saved to another folder, which could not be overwritten by your regular recordings. Regular recordings meaning the recordings that you get while you're driving without any collision and whatsoever. And lastly, loop recording. So the latest videos will overwrite the old ones, and it will have a separate loop recording for the time-lapse video and a separate loop recording for the regular videos or regular recordings. And as mentioned, the emergency videos like the collision detection from your parking surveillance feature, and also the emergency buffered recordings doesn't get overwrite by the loop recording feature. So those are the advanced features of the M310 dashcam. And lastly, for the intelligent features of this M310 dashcam, it has voice control. Yes, you heard it right. For an entry-level dashcam, it has a voice control. So you could command it like take photos, take videos, turn off the audio, turn on the audio or the hotspot. you could do it without touching or opening the app of the 70mm M310 dashcam. So hands-free interaction with the dashcam. Take photo. Turn off audio.
Audio recording is off.
Turn on audio.
Audio recording is on.
And as mentioned, you also have app control. So download the 70My app and add this M310 dashcam on your device list, and you could access or view your videos, photos, take photos, and turn on and off the audio, manage the camera settings, and etc. And lastly, it also supports USB-C data transfer. And that's pretty much it for the specs of the 70My M310 dashcam. So it's now time to install it, and I'll give you my review afterwards. Alright, so for the installation, I'll be only showing you the simple way on how to install the M310 dashcam using the car charger and the USB-C cable that was shown earlier. So yeah, not the Hardwire Kit. Alright, first is add the device into the app so that we could view the view of the camera and find a good spot to place it. And then stick the electrostatic film onto the windshield. And then stick the dashcam onto the electrostatic film. Now grab the prying tool included in the kit and start tucking the cable underneath the headliner, plastic trims, or panels. For vehicles with curtain airbags, you should remove the A-pillar panel and properly install the cable underneath that panel so that the airbag would still properly deploy. And just continue tucking the cable underneath the weather stripping and other panels underneath the dashboard up to the car charger. For a much detailed installation, I'll be having a separate DIY video on my channel. Alright, so for installing the Hardwire Kit, I won't dive deep into it. I'll have a separate DIY video on how to install the Hardwire Kit. But I'll just give you a brief overview on how to do it. So obviously Type-C goes into your dashcam, and then on the other end of the Hardwire Kit, you have 3 cables or 3 wires. So the black one goes to a grounding point. The yellow one, you want to tap this on an accessory or electrical component that has power only when the vehicle is turned on to accessory or when the vehicle is running. And then the red cable, you want to tap this on an electrical wire or component that has power all the time, even when the vehicle is turned off. So now it's time to see the dashcam in action. So here are some daytime shots. Here's another while it's raining. And then here are some shots during the night. Now let's have a quick look on the app of the 70My dashcam. Your dashcam into the app, you could take a photo, turn on and off the audio recording, access your videos and photos in the album, and then the settings. So in the album, if you're gonna access it, it will stop recording, and by default it will be sorted by categories. So you have all videos, emergency videos, parking surveillance, time-lapse, and photos. You could also view it via timeline. So in the categories, if you view your videos, you could enlarge them and have an option to download or delete them and access information right here. And then on the settings, you could alter your video settings, change the compression or the encoding format, the clip duration, resolution, anti-flicker, the duration for the parking surveillance, collision detection, time-lapse photography, emergency video, voice control, and etc. So now it's time for my initial review or first impressions of the M310 dashcam. So the M310 dashcam is actually a great or a good starting dashcam. So if you have a low budget for dashcam, or you're just really looking for something really affordable but has a good quality, then the M310 is a good choice. For its price, somewhere around 2,000 pesos to 2,200 pesos, it's actually really great. It has those advanced features, a good quality video and photo, as well as the audio, as well as those intelligent features like the voice control and app control. I could pretty much say that the M310 dashcam is really jam-packed for its price. The only thing that I would note is that during at nighttime, if the distance of the car in front of you is about more than 2 cars, then the plate becomes unreadable. But overall, the 70mm M310 is a really great entry-level dashcam. So if you want to buy it, there are shopping links down in the description below. So that's pretty much it for this dashcam feature video. I hope you find it really helpful. So don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next vid.